My name is Ben Cook. I'm a family practice doctor here at JCMG, and I've been here since 2018. I love being here in Jefferson City because of the community. I love working with Special Olympics so I can help those athletes fulfill their dreams of becoming part of the community. One of the other things I love doing is doing medical missions. One of the last ones I've been able to do was with Nicaragua and DO Care. It's one of the things I think we need to give back to our community. I became a doctor to be part of my patients' lives. I love being part of their lives and seeing them at their best and sadly sometimes at their worst. And becoming a doctor helped me fulfill my promise to help other people. And it's something that I enjoy coming to work every day so I can be a part of their lives. Primary care is important because you need a quarterback for your healthcare. Medicine is growing daily and you need someone to help navigate the crazy world of medicine. Preventative health is what's going to help you continue to do the things you want to do here in our community, whether it's hiking, being part of local community events, or just being the best you that you can be this next year.